sent me. So I tried it before. Katie, how are you feeling?
A bit nervous.
Excited?
Yeah.
Have you ever done anything this crazy before?
No.
And is it for charity?
It is, yeah. It's just St Michael's Hospice.
And how much money have you raised?
At the moment we're on 400, but we've still got 20.
That's brilliant. Did you choose to do this yourself, or have you been forced into it?
No, it was sort of my fault that everyone was doing it.
You're going to really enjoy it. Well done.
I watched the world fall to the dark side of the moon. After all, I knew it had to be something to do with you. I really don't mind what happens now and then, as long as you'll be my friend at the end. If I go crazy, then will you still call me Superman? If I'm alive and well, will you be there holding my hand? I'll keep you by my side with my superhuman might, kryptonite. You call me strong, you call me weak, but still your secrets I will keep. You took for granted all the times I never let you down. You stumbled in and bumped your head. If not for me, then you'd be dead. I picked you up, put you back on solid ground. If I go crazy, then will you still call me Superman? If I'm alive and well, will you be there holding my hand? I'll keep you by my side with my superhuman might, kryptonite.
Well done.
Oh,
Do you enjoy it?
yeah, it was amazing.
We'll get your hat off just a sec. Great jump. Do you remember it all?
So hopefully it'll come back to me later.
Remember the video going forwards at the aeroplane? Big roll?
Somersaults.
See the aeroplane upside down?
That's brilliant. Well done. Really good jump. Cheers, Mikey.